Hi LifterLMS users. LifterLMS Enrollment Importer plugin lets you import students directly to courses from a CSV template. Let me first show how to import students to different courses on your LifterLMS site. First, install and activate the LifterLMS Custom User Enrollment plugin on your WordPress site. Once installed, go to LifterLMS Courses menu. You will find the LifterLMS Enrollment Importer submenu. For importing students, download the demo CSV template on your computer and open it in Excel. The template has easy-to-fill various columns with relevant headers. First thing to note is that the user ID is required only when you want to update existing student data. For fresh student data import, you do not need to fill the user ID column. Secondly, there are 3 required fields for fresh user imports. They are first or last name, email ID and role. Next, fill in the first and last names and email IDs of the users. You need to fill the role column with the word student. Course ID should be filled in which student is being enrolled and put the membership ID of that course. Next, you can enter users' additional fields, like address, contact number, password, organization, order by and purchase order number, etc. Now, you can set a password by filling this column. The registration date should be filled as DD-MYYYY, representing day, month and year. Now, save your template as CSV format. Next, go to your WordPress site and import your template. That's it, you have successfully created users on your site. All users are successfully enrolled in the courses and membership. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you achieved some valuable information. Please subscribe to our channel for tutorials for LifterLMS.